Welcome back to Kim's Art Alchemy. All right, I'm going for the dragon eye again, which is also known as dragon scales and the crackle effect. I'm just continuing to mix up my pigment. So today I've got Harvest Gold and Whitehaven. I'm going again with the Phthalo Turquoise and Phthalo Green because last time I thought maybe the order affected the colors on the outcome, but I got so much green again that I realized that's not necessarily the case. It's probably the gold pigment that I used. So I am going to put the solar gold to the side by Pearl-X, and I'm going to substitute it with the Harvest Gold, which is what I used on my very first dragon eye that I did. And it's a little bit of a softer gold. So I'm gonna see if that makes the difference. So that's the experiment today. Otherwise, everything else is pretty much the same. I also used a couple drops less of the green. I think I only put 8 drops of the green in, whereas before I was putting 14, and I upped the drops in my blue, I put 10. So, and I have 4 ounces total of resin. I kind of split it pretty equally between these 4 cups, and I've got just a tiny little bit of clear resin left for the push at the very end. So without further ado, let's get this party started. Oh, also in this case, I did not take the resin temperature. It's already pretty warm here. It's about, well, the temperature gauge for the house says it's 78, but it's probably more like 78, 80 anyway. So just with the 4 minutes of mixing, I did let it sit for about 2 minutes just to try and get the air bubbles up to the top. And then I just started decanting. And after I had mixed, because that always takes a while, I started the video. And as usual, I am going to circle these around. Next up on the pour schedule, if you've been following me, you know it's the first color, then the gold, followed by the white, second color, white again, and gold at the end. Oh my gosh, Acorn's like having a blast. So I have to only put a quarter of this in each one of these because I will be going again with the color. So I'm gonna try not to put in too much on my first round. You can generally add a little bit more on your first go. I feel like that one needs a little more. All right, good. So I still have that much left. Ooh, oh, almost tipped that over. Always mix up your pigment powders first, because it seems like no matter how much I mix these pigment powders, I still get unmixed bits showing up on the other side. And why do they show up on the other side? Because the pigments are heavier, so they will sink. All right. And now my blue. This is Phthalo blue, very blue. Probably put too much of the blue in, but I wanted primarily blue. Y'all know blue's my favorite color. And while I love green too, I want it to be blue with some green, not green with hardly any blue. Like the other one. paint is looking pretty evenly divided. I'm happy with how this is going so far. Put that in my tower of cups. Here's my tower of cups. Once it gets too big, then that's when I throw it in the trash, but at least it's all compact. I could probably do a little bit more. We'll scrape the rest into this one. Be careful because you don't want to drop anything in the wrong place. Oh my goodness. Don't mind Acorn. She's just playing. Oh my gosh, I think she's collected all her toys behind me. What you got there, Acorn? Crazy dog. Crazy dog. All right, last bit. The gold, give that a quick stir again. What is that? Really, Acorn? You don't say. And there's just a little tiny bit. So let's go. I'm gonna pour this from up a little bit higher. This is looking very green again. What the heck? Could have been just beginner's luck with my first one, turning out that nice bluey color. And that's it. We're back. Let's see. Did I get it more blue than green on this one or not? Okay. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. It is a little bit more blue. Not a lot, but a little. Isn't that so interesting? The first time I did it, it was really quite blue. Oh well, I think that's it. I think that's those are all the attempts I'm gonna make with this. It's very cool though. Very, very cool. And I don't think I had any unmixed mica. Yay! So total success with that one. All right, well, thank you as always for being here. Have a great day. Go out and make a positive impact. Be your own alchemist. Bye for now.